Byenkoze nga twetegekera empaka z'abannalulungi w'ebulambuzi mu Buganda 2025-2026 abawala bonna mwesimbewo okugeza nga nze mu mwaka gwange ntaddewo kye tuyita scholarship program mu kitongole kyange kya Malayika Children Initiative nga tuweerera abaana okusoma kuva mu nursery mpaka university. Nfunidde abantu emirimu nga mpita mu kampuni yange gye bayita Nfuna Opportunities. So nkubiza bannalungi bonna mukimanye nti nga oyimusa ebyobulambuzi mu ssaza lyo ate era olina okugatta ku nsi yo ng'era oyongeza nawe kyoyimirirako nga nze bwendi sickle advocate. So mwena mujje mwesimbewo ate ng'era challenges oba ebizibu ebimu bye tulina eggomba besinkanye mu kutundu lw'ebulambuzi eggomba kuliko enguudo zaffe ezimu naddala ezitukira ddala mu byobulambuzi byaffe teziri mu mbeera nnungi n'ekirala byobulambuzi byaffe ebimu byetaaga okuddaabiriza. Ekyo nkubiriza nnyo ministry ya tourism wano mu Uganda ne Buganda era okwasiza awamu tubeere nga tutumbula ebyobulambuzi ebimu okubyagaza abantu baffe. Twetaaga n'okubimanyisa abantu tebamanyi byabulambuzi biri mu ggomba. Wallahi mbyerabidde.
Come about Chija, when Uganda as a kingdom is given a chance to choose who to represent it in tourism, who is going to be the link between people and the tourism sector, who is going to inform people about what is in tourism, and then people are given a chance to vote. That is how I emerge as a winner and then Miss Popularity Uganda Kingdom. What do I do majorly? I do promote tourism to the people. I do tell and inform people about tourism in Buganda and Uganda at large. Under clusters, I represent Miss Tourism Sese Islands of Lake Victoria. So I'm Miss Tourism Sese Islands, and that is one of the projects that I'm doing. I do visit Sese Islands as a project to promote the islands, and then come back to the general visit Kampala, which is an umbrella of Uganda. Kampala is in Uganda, so I do promote tourism in Kampala or central Uganda. I do tell people and inform them about what is happening in the tourism industry, which investment opportunities are there in the tourism industry, what can they do and what can they benefit from the tourism industry in Uganda. I do link people, I do tell them, I do make people love people, I do promote culture, I do promote culinary tourism and anything that brings together. I would wish to be clarified in the tourism industry. For this case would be perception and or misinformation. What information are we putting out there to market or to talk about what we are marketing? Our country, our region, our wherever we come from, our villages, they have very, very many different beautiful and wonderful things that can actually attract tourists to come and see. However, we do not hype them much as we are supposed to, and then we look out for the bad things that are in that specific region. For example, you will see a place like this, a very wonderful Uganda Heritage and Tourism Board. It has a library very well equipped for the public. It has a gallery well equipped with a lot of wonderful things, conference center and all of those things. However, a person will pass by this and not talk about it, but will go and highlight and take an effort to market the portals that we have in the region. So that is still a hitch that we need to solve, maybe with the education of the people